Hi, good day. Welcome to CMS. We'll continue how to develop your schedule. Last time we finished step 3 in time schedule. That means we have the productivity and the sequence and the relation between each activity together. Step 4 is to modify the activities manpower quantities in productivities page, which is this, till reach to the targeted durations. What does it mean? Now we have the activities with their sequence and relation. According to these activities and the initial manpower, which already inserted before in the productivity page, and the sequence and the relation between each activity, we reach for this duration. And also we have the tentative start and finish for each activity. And we have here the duration, the tentative duration according to all these information. But of course, as any kind of project, there is a time constraint. If this duration is matching your time constraint, so stop here. And now you have the schedule. If not, you have to modify the manpower, which is inserted to the project. For example, we'll consider here our target for this project is 900 days. This project must be completed in 900 days. So how to change this number? For this, we have to go for step 4. Step 4, go to step 7 in productivities page till reach to the targeted duration. Let's go for step 7. Step 7 here telling in parallel with step 6, which we was now in schedule bar chart, use goal seek method to modify the manpower till satisfy the total duration. That's the total duration which we have. We need to change this manpower, but instead of trial and error, we'll go for what if method or goal seek method. How to make this one? By selecting this cell, which is the duration, which we need to reach for 900 by goal seek method. That's the 900 by changing cell, this cell for the manpower. Okay. The process is started now. Reach for the 900. Okay. We'll find here the number of the manpower is changed to reach for 900 days as the duration. Also, this number is still a tentative. CMS already calculated each activity manpower, which are required for each activity, and each manpower, which are required to be provided each day for each activity, as we'll see later. Now we have the productivity and manpower. Let's go again for the schedule by next or by going for schedule and develop schedule. We'll find here the duration are 900, and we can see now a clear bar chart showing us our work program and time schedule. Another step is required to ensure that we have a proper duration for each activity. For example, we need to have a look for each activity and to ensure the duration for each activity are applicable. We'll just have a look for the numbers of the activity. If we'll find an unlogic number, so that means we need to change the duration by changing the manpower for this activity. For example, the slab on grade here will be finished in 2 days. Is it logic for us or not? If it's okay for us, so we'll keep it. If not, and we need to increase the days, let's go to change the manpower for this activity and we'll see the impact. For example, we need to increase this activity to finish in almost 10 days. How we'll do this one? we'll go for also productivity and choose the slab on grade, which required to change its duration. This need to be 10. We'll check which manpower are the governor of changing of this activity. We'll find here the cell fixers because it have here amount days. So this one will change the manpower instead of 65. We'll try 10. We'll find here almost 11 days if it's accepted for us, so it is okay. But we'll find here the total duration is also changed. So in this case, we have to go again for goal seek to change the manpower to turn back for the required. But before doing this step, let's check also all the required activities which have the unlogic activity or the unlogic duration according to our discretion. We'll have a look for the schedule, and again let's see which have unaccepted duration. Maybe the fine flooring and external cladding have very less duration. We can change also in the productivity by increasing the manpower if the productivity is okay for us. So let's change the manpower. We can provide maybe 10 and they can finish this way. As we told that this number is changed, so we need to change the manpower instead of 65 by goal seek 900 days by changing of this cell. Okay, now we're seeing the goal seek have a conversion between 898 and he didn't stop. So in this case, pause, cancel, and we can choose instead of 900 we'll choose 898 by changing the cell in the OK. Now it's reached. Otherwise, if we failed to do this step, we can make it manually because already we're talking about 1 or 2 labor difference. We can also do it manually by changing this manually. After this, we'll go for step 5, which is click to render. CMS will render the schedule. To continue, click OK and wait. Project schedule is ready. Thanks for waiting. Now we have project schedule with all calculated activities and planned value, duration for each activity, planned start and planned finish, and all the bar charts required. Like this, we already finished developing our schedule. Thank you very much for watching.